Hey, welcome to my channel. This is my second attempt on doing eyelash extensions. So this is the finished result right now. And I used the Ardell individual lashes. I used almost a whole pack, not quite. But yeah, so like I said, this is my second time attempting to do eyelash extensions. Last night I tried it and I completely failed. It was horrible. So I had to redo it today. And so yeah, this is the finished look. I'm actually really pleasantly surprised how much easier it was. I went to the store today and bought the Ardell individual lashes as opposed to just cutting up lashes, and it worked way better doing it this way. But yeah, I might make them a bit thicker, but I'm not sure. What do you guys think? I really like how they turned out. I'm not sure how long these are going to stay on for, but they say if you take care of them, they can stay on for like a week or 2 weeks, so we'll see. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every single week. Click the little bell notification down below so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So if you guys want to see me do these DIY eyelash extensions, then please keep watching. Yeah, so and just a little disclaimer, I'm not telling anybody that they should do their own eyelash extensions, because you should definitely go to a certified eyelash technician or whatever you want to call it. I'm not certified in any single way, but I just like to do my own beauty stuff at home. I just think it's cheaper, and I get to control what my eyelashes look like in the end. And yeah, so I just felt like I wanted to do it. I thought it would be a fun video to do, and I'm really happy I did it. So this is the Ardell individual lash extension kit. So it comes with the glue and the remover, and then it also comes with a really good pair of tweezers. And yeah, so you pretty much have everything right in this package to do your own eyelash extensions. And I bought an extra pack just in case. So yeah, I'm gonna try this again. And I also have some other glue called Lash Tight. I don't know if it's the same. I'm pretty sure it is, because it's both by Ardell. But so yeah, again, and you want to make sure that all your lashes are, like, your face is washed. I have a little bit of eyebrows on, but you want to make sure you have bare face, like no oils or anything. You want it to be really clean, your lashes. So what you're gonna need obviously is either lashes, you're gonna need some glue, and you're gonna need a pair of tweezers, pointy ones I would think, but yeah, a pair of tweezers. And then I just have some Q-tips, the adhesive, and this is, I really like it because it has the remover. Okay, my camera died, you didn't see it, but I got one on, if you can see right here. So I'm just gonna start putting them on. There's no particular order. I'm just grabbing the medium ones, and then I'm just dipping them in that glue. Kind of like that. So I think I'm gonna do obviously longer on the outside. I'm gonna do a whole thing of medium, I think, and then I'm gonna do longer on the outside and then a couple short ones on the inside. That's the plan. So I'm just gonna fast forward this for you guys, and then I'll show you when this eye is almost done. So this is what this eye looks like. I might add a bit more, I'm not sure, but that's how it looks so far. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just gonna finish this other eye, and I'll be right back, and I'll tweak this one a little bit, and then we'll see the final results. So I'm back, and this is the finished look so far. I think I'm done. Yeah, so they definitely turned out a lot better than last night, but because I used the mediums along the whole thing, and then I did the mediums for like the base, and then I did the long ones at the end, and then the short ones in the middle. So yeah, I used probably 3/4 of this pack and barely any of the glue. I did find myself using a little more of my lash tight glue just because I know this stuff works really well. But that other glue worked good too. So yeah, I just finished. It took me probably about an hour, I guess, to do them. So it's very time consuming, but I like them. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, so if you guys like videos like this, show me you liked it by giving it a really big thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. I upload new videos every single week. Click that little bell notification down below so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.